Good morning. Today is Embarkation Day and we're boarding our Disney cruise from Port Canaveral. We stayed at the Radisson Resort at the port the night before because it was only a few minutes from the cruise terminal and offers a shuttle to the port. So today I'll show you exactly what the process looked like from catching the shuttle all the way to stepping onto the ship. Hi.
But it's gonna be hard. We might not for a minute.
When everybody's
Yo, you see that? It's from those see-through ones too.
Yeah. I didn't.
We booked the shuttle through the Radisson and it was super affordable. The ride to the port ended up taking less than 10 minutes and honestly, I'd do it this way again. It made embarkation morning so much easier. Once we got to the port, the shuttle staff unloaded everyone's luggage and the Disney porters took it from there. That meant we only had to carry our backpacks and anything we needed for the first few hours on board. Now we are going to check in at number 9.
Please make sure to have your arrival forms out and available.
Okay, so we set our check-in time. So now we... Oh, passport in the hand, okay.
Yes, please.
Check. All right, so we just got through security and we're in the terminal now. So we had a 12:45
I low-key do.
port arrival time. What time is it now, you guys?
12:48.
So it's 12:48. So we got through security at 12:48. Once you get into this terminal, then we wait for our boarding group to be called. And so we are boarding group number 17. So we're gonna just chill. Definitely go take pictures at the backdrops and wait. I don't know where the backdrops are though, so that's the only thing. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
God's good to see you.
Side a little bit. You see that? A 1-to-1 replica of the ship.
Well, let's go look at this. Let's look at the 1-to-1 replica.
Literally the exact replica.
Oh, this is a picture. We're gonna get a picture right here. All right, see you now boarding 1 through 17. So that's what we're doing.
Max. Max.
Oh yes, over here, over here. Raylan, don't even think about it. He's mad. He doesn't like taking pictures, but you know me, I'm always going to take a family picture. Hi. Hello.
You guys how many?
Okay, we took our pictures, so now we're headed back to the line to get onto the ship.
Alright, everybody's in place to board. Have a magical cruise. Is anybody else here? No. Alright, have a magical cruise.
Thank you. It's okay. So we had to check in again. Look at the ship, the Disney Fantasy. I'm so excited. You guys are getting on the ship. We going on the ship. What? We going on the ship. Okay. Look at the. I'm so Hi.
Please one more to Emma and Devin.
Yes.
After boarding, our first stop was lunch. On embarkation day, you can usually choose between the buffet at Cabanas or one of the designated sit-down restaurants. For us, that was Animator's Palette, and that's what we decided to do.
Disney Fantasy, please welcome aboard Lakeville family.
Oh, I see a dead fish. Do you see it? It's a dead fish down there. Oh, that's kind of sad.
Please welcome aboard family.
What? Do you see the dead fish?
Mommy's up there.
Come on, Brycey. So right now we're headed to lunch. We really wanted to go to sit down. I didn't really want to go to Cabanas this morning or today. Okay, so we're at Animator's Palette for lunch. So nice.
And how many parties? 4?
So they have Animator's Palette also on the Disney Wonder, which is what we've been on already when we went on the Disney Wonder to Mexico. Ooh, okay, we'll sit right here.
Simba looking like one?
You want to sit on the other side so you can see something?
Now, how in the Animator's Palette,
Uh-huh.
it's shaped like this because it's supposed to be
Like a paintbrush?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's called Animator's Palette, like a painting palette.
Yep. I see.
How about for your dessert?
No dessert.
You don't want dessert? It's going to be a while before you can eat ice cream.
Cookies and
Cheesecake.
So for me, I'll do the beef empanada. And then can I do both soups but no entree?
Both food, yes, sure. Your dessert?
The sundae?
Sunday.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The empanada was actually really good, especially with the chimichurri sauce. And if you know me, I can't pass up a good soup, so this time I tried the seafood and chicken gumbo and the leek and potato soup with soda bread.
Oh my god, this looks so good. Spin it around. That looks so good. Isn't it beautiful?
Yep, and yummy. Now I'm eating it.
Alright, I want to taste it. Alright, try it. It's good? Alright, so I'm doing the welcome, what's it called again? The welcome aboard sundae. Alright, so it's vanilla bean ice cream. They have some, let me see.
We say vanilla though.
So good. It's vanilla bean. There's a difference.
vanilla.
No, there's a difference between vanilla and vanilla bean, and this is vanilla.
Oh, I'm just having coffee. No, actually, I'm having coffee beans. I'm having
that would
coffee
be
bean flavored coffee.
No, it's two. Yeah, it's different flavors, but
Coffee bean flavored coffee.
and then there's some caramel on here, and then let me see what this is. Some type of cookie cupcake crumble. I don't know.
Well, that's like
Good.
vanilla bean and vanilla or the same.
Let's see what that's
like,
about.
That's like saying, look, this fruity orange is in the taste of
This is good. I enjoy this.
This is coffee flavored taste of coffee.
Okay. How's yours?
Good.
What do you rate that?
8.
Oreo cheesecake, pricey? You don't like it? Really? Why don't you like it?
this yellow sauce.
Huh? You just don't like, do you like cheesecake?
Taste these yellow sides for me real quick.
I'm gonna taste his,
This one is yellow.
that?
Yeah, taste the yellow.
Well, why are you eating that? What is that?
It's the main part of the cheesecake. Like that, you're eating
I
it.
see what you mean,
You
but
gotta eat it down like this.
let me go like this.
That's what I did. Mom, look at the back. That's what I did.
Don't take it from the back. Take it from the front.
Sorry. Give me back.
All right, it's pretty good. It's not like the best cheesecake I've ever had or anything, but it's all right. I'd say, I don't know, the cheesecake flavor itself isn't super strong.
It's like a 7.
I give it a, honestly,
You guys feel comfortable eating it.
I give it like a 5. It's not nasty, but it's not like
It's
amazing.
It's mid.
I still don't like it.
Yeah, that's okay. You want to try some of my ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Animator salad.
Next, we headed over to the Oceaneer Club, which is designed for kids ages 3 to 10. Throughout the cruise, this is where kids can hang out, play, and participate in supervised activities, while adults enjoy some time on their own. My boys always love the kids club, so even if I wasn't planning to do anything on my own, they usually wanted to spend some time in here. And since it was open house, families could come in together and explore the space. They were also making magnets, so of course we had to join in.
What you making, Brycey?
You want range? You want
Door magnet?
Yeah.
One thing my boys always look forward to on Disney cruises is the complimentary soft serve. You can come back as many times as you'd like throughout the day, and they usually rotate the flavors, so it's always fun to see what's being served.
Okay, so we are doing the
Everything here on the Disney Fantasy.
time to win Census Spa and Salon. So I'm trying to win something. So we'll see.
Reservations for
Last time I won a discount, so we'll see if I win anything.
For our amazing Port of
Once our stateroom was ready, our Key to the World cards were waiting for us outside the door. It's basically your room key, but you'll also use it to make purchases on board, get on and off the ship in each port, and link your professional photos to your account. Our checked luggage had also been delivered right outside our stateroom, so we unpacked, got settled, and then headed to the mandatory muster drill before the sail-away party.
During the drill. Thank you. Attention all traffic controllers, evacuation teams, and assembly teams. You should now be at your assembly stations on positions.
One of the fun traditions on Disney Cruise Line is decorating your stateroom door. It's completely optional, but it's a fun way to personalize your room and make it a little easier to find your door in the hallway. This trip, I decided to make a personalized banner instead of bringing a bunch of magnets, and I absolutely loved how it turned out.
Alright, let's see. Both these things work.
I don't think it'll be strong enough. I don't think it's gonna be strong enough.
I don't know, but it says mom, dad, my husband.
If not, then we'll have to get
Some tape.
I don't think we're allowed to use tape. Okay.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. We're definitely gonna have to get. Yeah, we're gonna have to get some things from. Well, do you see the thing? It's cute, isn't it? Oh, got that.
I want to see if there's anything in the water.
Drink.
Hey, look, there's a tiny boat.
Where? I want to see.
It's still crazy how we saw an animal.
By the time we made it up to the sail-away party, it was pretty much wrapping up. We missed most of it, but it was still nice to come up on deck, take it all in, and officially kick off our cruise. Next, we stopped by Edge during open house. Edge is Disney's tween club for kids ages 11 to 14. So just like the Oceaneer Club, open house gave us a chance to come in together, check out the space, and see everything it had to offer before the kids started visiting on their own.
For the older teens from 14 to 17, and this is the Sunday. This is our like exclusive.
Oh, only for Edge. Okay. Oh, that's the pool. This is nice, Braylon. And they have a pool down here. So pretty much, this is hecka tight. It sucks that you guys aren't the same age. Yeah. That's hecka tight. All right. Ping pong table, foosball. Foursquare. That's fine. You play chess. Oh look, Braylon, I got Mario Kart. That's pretty. It's so cool.
You want chocolate pillow deli, so you want something sweet?
What's the? It says caramel, but what's the purple stuff?
So raspberry and caramel inside.
Oh, yeah. I just do a cranberry slice.
Cranberry slices?
Yeah.
Can I have Rice Krispie stick?
Rice Krispie stick for you, buddy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thanks. Okay, go ahead and go in. Yeah, let me put this.
Okay, all right, buddy. What are you looking for? Up here. One, two, three. Up here. One more.
Good job, friends.
Okay. We'll go here. 1, 2, and 3. One more. 2, and 1.
Thank you, friends. We'll see you real soon.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening. Oh,
welcome on board.
Thank you. Do you guys want any of this stuff?
Doing this so far says let your
What is section? No?
Oh, that's fun.
All right. And this one. We have bread and
Clam chowder.
we'll be back with some ketchup after.
Chilled mango soup.
looks like these.
Pork Wellington. Can I take a video of your
Billy Bobby Brown? He looks like.
Almost under here.
Thank you.
After dinner, we spent the rest of the evening on the pool deck before calling it a night. And just like that, Embarkation Day came to an end. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.